Uh, so now we'll take this x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to log x sine of log x. Now it is of the Cauchy's equation form. By observing these powers, we can decide. Okay, so we'll substitute x square d square y by dx square as d into d minus 1. Okay, y. Similarly, x into dy by dx as dy. That's it. Only two terms are there having derivatives. Next, we'll take t is equal to log x implies e power t is equal to x. Okay, so we'll take all the substitution in this equation 1. So you can write from equation 1 d into d minus 1 into y, or you can write it as d minus 1 plus x into dy by dx, it is d plus 1 into y is equal to log x. Log x can be replaced with t sin t. Okay, so therefore multiply with this d square minus d plus d plus 1 into y is equal to t sin t, which is nothing but d square plus 1 into y is equal to t sin t. So therefore yc or auxiliary equation will find. To find yc, auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0 implies m square equal to minus 1 implies m is equal to plus or minus I you'll get. So what will be yc now?
C1 cos x plus C2 sin x.
C1 cos, here not x, it is t. Similarly C2 sin t, because we have converted the variable into t. So yc is equal to C1 cos t value is log x plus C2 sin log x. Okay, so therefore yp you need to find. Yp is equal to t sin t divided by d square plus 1. Okay, which is of the form xv divided by f of d, comma, where v is equal to how much? Sin t. Okay, so what will be the formula for this? This is of type 5. Okay, in type 5 what we'll do?
x minus
Yes, x minus f dash of d divided by f of d into v divided by f of d. This much only. So this formula we are going to apply there. So yp is equal to, here instead of x we have t minus f dash of d 2d divided by d square plus 1 into v, that means sin t divided by f of d square plus 1. So therefore yp is equal to t minus 2d divided by d square plus 1 into sin t. So apply type 2 method here. That means d square must be replaced with minus 1. Okay, so if you apply minus 1, what happens?
0.
So you are getting 0. So when you get 0, what we need to do? Multiply t.
T into
2d you will get. In the differentiation, in denominator we need to do differentiation. So yp is equal to, I can write this as 1 by 2 here in the front, t minus 2d divided by d square plus 1 into 1 by d. Okay, so what will be 1 by d into integration of 1 by d means integration of sine.
minus cos t.
So I'll get minus t cos t. Okay, now multiply this inside. Yp is equal to 1 by 2 into minus t square cos t. If you want to take this 1 by 2 also inside, you can write it as minus t square cos t divided by 2. Next, minus of minus will get plus, 2 to get cancel, differentiation of cos. So that means d of cos t divided by, differentiation of t cos t divided by d square plus 1. So yp is equal to minus t square cos t divided by 2 plus differentiation of t cos t will be how much? Product rule you have to apply. This is t sin t divided by,
Minus t sin t.
I'll get minus t sin t divided by d square plus 1 plus cos t divided by d square plus 1. Correct. Have separated each term. So differentiation of t is 1. So 1 into cos t will get divided by d square plus 1. Now yp is equal to minus t square cos t divided by 2 minus, if you observe this properly, what is yp here? T sin t divided by d square plus 1. This one we have represented with yp, right? So here also the same term is there. Okay, so replace with yp plus cos t divided by d square plus 1. Okay, so in the place of d square you can substitute minus 1. So if you substitute minus 1 you'll get 0. So that's why you'll get t cos t divided by 2 will get. Sorry. 2d. Okay, send this yp to left hand side. So I'll get 2yp is equal to minus t square cos t divided by 2 plus t by 2 into integration of cos t. This plus sin t. So yp must be, send this 2 to this side, minus t square cos t plus t sin t divided by 4 will get. Fine. Okay. So therefore, general solution. So before that, we need to write yp in terms of x. So yp is equal to minus t means log x whole square cos log x plus log x sin log x divided by 4. Therefore, finally y is equal to yc plus yp, which is nothing but y is equal to yc c1 cos log x plus c2 sin log x.
Sir, divided by 4 or 2?
4. These two we have sent.
Okay, sir.
These two I have sent to down. So it will become 4. Okay. So minus log x whole square cos log x plus log x sin log x whole divided by 4. Getting? If you want, you can keep a bracket here like this. So check from starting onwards. I'll give 1 minute for each slide, so let you know. If you have any doubts, you can ask. We'll go for next one. Sometimes I'll also will be doing some mistakes, so kindly observe that mistakes. Okay. You go for next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think this is also very easy. It is of Cauchy's equation only. X square y double dash minus xy dash plus y is equal to x square log x is there. So implies we'll take substitutions as x square y double dash. Second derivative means d into d minus 1 into y. Similarly, xy dash can be written as dy. Substitutions are t is equal to log x, e power t is equal to x. Okay, so implies substitute it in equation 1. From equation 1, you can write it as d into d minus 1 into this minus d plus 1 into y is equal to x square. X square means e power 2t you will get. Next log x. Log x means t. So e power 2t into t. So d square minus 2d plus 1 you will get into y is equal to e power 2t into t. So implies auxiliary equation is what happens? M square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0, which implies m minus 1 whole square, which is equal to 0. M1 equal to M2 is equal to plus 1 you'll get. YC will be how much? Repeated solutions.
C1 plus C2 T.
e raised to t.
Okay, so replace with x terms. C1 plus C2 log x into x. Okay, so therefore yp is equal to e power 2t into t divided by d square minus 2d plus 1. So this is of which kind of equation? Type 3 or type 4 or type 5? Exponential combination.
Type 4.
Yes, it is of type 4. In type 4 what we'll do? E power 2t you'll keep aside. T divided by, in the place of d, we need to substitute with d
D minus 2.
plus 2.
D
No?
plus 2.
Okay. So d plus 2 whole square minus 2 into d plus 2 plus 1. So yp is equal to e power 2t into t by d divided by d square plus 2d plus 4 minus 2d minus 4 plus 1. So therefore yp is equal to e power 2t t divided by 2d get cancelled, 4 get cancelled, d square plus 1. So yp we got it as e power 2t into t by d square plus 1. So how to solve this? Right, 1 plus d square aside, that means type 3 we are doing here for this. T, first term divided by first term, t divided by 1, it is t, multiply with this, d square plus 0 will get. Okay. Here also plus 0, so no need to write. So subtract it, 0 will get. Okay. So therefore, yp is equal to how much? Is it correct? D square plus 1 is there. 1 plus d square I have written on the left. So if you subtract it, you'll get 0. That's it. So what will be the answer?
So there d square plus 2d plus 1.
Okay. I think it is 4d. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is 2ab means 4d. Plus 2d plus 1. One plus 2d plus d square. So t plus differentiation of t is 1, we'll get 2. So subtract it, plus 0 minus 2 will get 2 divided by minus 1. So I'll get minus 2. So I'll get minus 2 here. Minus 2, differentiation of 2 is 0. 0. So therefore yp is equal to e power 2t. In the place of this, you need to write t minus 2. So yp is equal to, in the place of t, what we need to substitute? Log x. So e power t is x. E power t is x. E power t whole square is z. So you'll get x square here into t log x minus 2 will give. So therefore, general solution y is equal to c1 cos log x plus c2 sin log x. Sorry, is it yc? No. c1 plus c2 log x into x plus x square into log x minus 2. Yes, this much will be the solution. So we have applied the type 3. That means division rule we have done. Let's go through it. So take one minute for each slide so that you'll get clarity on this. Oh, it is not visible. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So take one minute for each slide. We'll do one more last problem on Cauchy's and tomorrow we'll go for Legenders. Yes, we'll go for next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So take this last problem. So in this problem, we are having x power 4 dqy by dx cube is there, to x cube d square y by dx square minus x square dy by dx plus xy is equal to sine of log x. Now is it in Cauchy's equation form?
No.
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 So something is extra here. What is that?
X.
X.
X is extra. So take x common. We'll get x cube d cube y by dx cube plus 2x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus y is equal to sine of log x divided by x. Okay, now is it in Cauchy's equation?
Yes, sir.
So I have sent that x to right hand side. Whatever extra is there, that extra you send it to right hand side. So here I can substitute x cube d cube y by dx cube as d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 y. Similarly, x square d square y by dx square is equal to d into d minus 1 into y. X dy by dx dy t is equal to log x, e power t is equal to x. So take all these substitutions and substitute it in equation 1. That means from equation 1 we'll get d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 minus 2d into d minus 1 minus d plus 1 is equal to how much? Sine of log x. Log x value is t divided by e power t. Okay, so simplify this. How much you'll get? D square. If you multiply all the three terms at a time, so you'll get first d cube. Okay, so d cube minus 2d square minus d square. So you'll get minus 3d square. Okay, next plus 2d minus 2d square plus 2d. Okay, next minus d plus 1 into y sine t divided by e power t will get. So I'll get dq 3d square minus 2d square.
So that plus 2d into d minus 1.
Plus 2d into d minus 1. You'll get minus 2d square minus of minus plus 2d. Correct. Huh? First term we'll check with once. D square. So d square into d. You'll get dq. D square into minus 2. You'll get minus 2d square. D into d minus d square. So minus 3d square only you'll get.
Above equation, sir.
Minus 2d. Huh? This
Main
equation.
equation.
Plus 2d into d minus 1.
Okay, here plus okay. So plus 2d square minus 2d. Now is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So minus d square 2d get cancelled minus d plus 1 into y is equal to e power minus t sine t. So therefore auxiliary equation is m cube minus m square minus m plus 1 equal to 0. Do the synthetic division method. Minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. What will be the initial solution for this?
1.
dq plus d square. No, sir.
dq plus d square. No, minus d square only. So plus 1 you'll get. 1 into 1 1 0 0 minus 1 1 0. So implies m1 is 1, m square minus 1 equal to 0. Implies m is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay. So finally we'll get m1 equal to m2 equal to plus 1, m3 is minus 1. Okay. So therefore what is yc?
C1 plus C2 into t into e raised to t
Yes.
plus C3 e raised to minus t.
Yes. Correct. So yc is equal to c1 plus c2 log x into x plus c3 x inverse. Okay. So e power t means x. X power minus 1 is there. That's it. Now yp is equal to right hand side what is there? E power minus t into sine t. divided by d cube minus d square minus d plus 1. So yp is equal to, it is again of type 4. So e power minus t into sine t. Here d must be replaced with d minus 1. So replace with d minus 1. D minus 1 whole cube minus d minus 1 whole square minus of d minus 1 plus 1. So here so much simplification is there. Do it carefully. Sin t divided by here d minus 1 whole cube. So I'll get d cube minus 1 cube minus 3d square minus 3d. Is it correct? Plus 3d. This is the expansion of first term. Expand second term. Minus of d square minus 2d plus 1 minus d plus 1 plus 1. So yp is equal to e power minus t sin t divided by d cube minus 3d square. Here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Here we'll get plus 3d minus d square plus 2d plus 2d minus 1 plus 1. So yp is equal to e power minus t sin t divided by d cube, okay, minus 4d square. Next 3d plus 2d, it is 5d. Is it correct? D minus 1, okay.
Minus D is there, sir.
Minus
D.
minus d cube minus 1 cube minus 3a square b, so 3d square minus minus d term is this, okay. Minus d is there, okay. Plus 2d minus d plus 1. Okay, so these two get cancelled, 4d will get. So yp is equal to e power minus t into sin t divided by here d square must be replaced with minus 1 square. So you'll get minus 1. So I'll get minus d minus of minus will get plus 4 plus 4d. Okay, so yp is equal to e power minus t into sin t divided by, so 4d minus d, you'll get 3d. So you'll get 3d plus 4. So in denominator we got 3d plus 4. So multiply with conjugate. So 3d minus 4 divided by 3d minus 4. So therefore yp is equal to e power minus t. So 3 into differentiation of sine t is cos t minus 4 sine t divided by a plus b into a minus b. You'll get 9d square minus 16. So yp is equal to e power minus t into 3 cos t minus 4 sin t divided by here in the place of d square you need to substitute minus 1. So you'll get minus 9 minus 16. So yp is equal to e power minus t into I can write this as divided by 25 minus, if I take in the numerator, we'll get 4 sin t minus 3 cos t. Now multiply with minus in the numerator. So this is about yp. So yp is equal to, finally you can write it as x inverse divided by 25 into 4 sine of log x minus 3 cos of log x. Should not forget to write t in terms of x. Okay, so general solution. General solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Therefore, y is equal to c1 plus c2 log x into x plus c3 x inverse plus x inverse divided by 25 into 4 sine log x minus 3 cos log x. So this will be the general solution for your given problem.